Are you tired of brushing your dog the old-fashioned way and getting all of that hair on the floor? Well, I have a new solution for you, the Oneisall Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. This will change how you take care of your pets. I have here today the Oneisall Pet Grooming Kit. This is going to save you so much money and time in pet grooming fees, and you can use this on your dog or your cat. So let's open it up, see what we have, and see how well it works on my German Shepherd. Now, in order to use these items, we will start by attaching this brush. It snaps onto my hose, and then you have a button for quick release. And then over here I have my power button to my vacuum. This has 3 different modes: silent mode, standard, and max. And I do have some really good suction here. And when you are working with your pet in the beginning to get them used to this item, always start on the lowest mode and work your way up, because if you scare your pet, it's going to be that much harder to work with them. And we all know that grooming is not our pet's favorite thing to do. So let's call over Sasha and see what we think of this. Alright, so I have my first attachment, nice soft bristle brush here to work with her, because like I said, we want to take it nice and slow so that she is used to these things and doesn't get upset. Now, she is not the easiest dog to groom. We've actually had groomers turn her away because of her size and her breed. So that makes it really tough to make sure she's always looking her best when people don't want to take her. So that's why this is going to be a great kit for me here at home, because I will be able to groom her when I need and not have to worry about trying to find a new groomer. So far, so good. Let's try out a different brush and see what we think of that one. We now have the more bristly brush here, and let's try this one out. Oh, isn't that bad? It definitely gets her fur. Now you can see all that fur is on here. Let's suck it in. And it did so. It's all right here now, not on my floor, which is really nice. Let's keep going. I think she really likes this. It probably feels really good, a little massage to her. And I'm sure the suction that the brush has is helping to pull out some of that hair too. She has a lot of it. Once again, here's all that hair that I just pulled off her. It is not on my floor. And there it all goes. So that's pretty nice. And I don't have a bunch of hair on my floor. She's brushed out. Now let's find out how well these clippers work. And we are going to let Sasha go and call in another dog, the Poodle, who constantly needs grooming. So here I have Patty. Patty is a Poodle, and he requires grooming about every 6 to 8 weeks to make him look good. Although finding a groomer is not all that hard for him because he's cute and adorable. Sometimes they don't do great jobs on him, they leave him looking patchy, and honestly, it's expensive to upkeep his due all the time. So he gets brushed out and clipped about every 6 to 8 weeks. And if I could cut that down so that he can go longer that would be awesome. So let's start off. He's a little more skittish than my shepherd, so let's just start off with brushing him a little bit with the wire brush so that he gets used to it. Alright, we've done that. You can turn it on and suck up the very little hair that we just pulled off him. It is nice because he is a hyperallergenic doggy, so he doesn't shed all that much. He just needs constant clipping. Alright, but let's get down to the whole reason Patty is here. How do these clippers actually do? The nice thing about Oneisall is that I don't have to turn on the vacuum to run the clippers. They run separately, and you are sent a charging cord to charge them up separately than the vacuum. So that means that I don't have to worry about freaking him out with the sound of the vacuum and the clippers all going at once. And I'm gonna put a number 12 on here.
The nice thing about Oneisall is they thought about dogs who were afraid. They made it so that my clippers can run without having to run the vacuum.
So we have a little bit of hair. Let's sock it up.
Collecting 99% of pet hair directly into the dustbin, your Oneisall pet grooming kit will keep your home looking neat and clean with no mess. The clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used alone or with the vacuum, offering a cordless convenience and peace of mind for any scared pets. Operating at only 60 decibels and with 3 adjustable suction levels, the low noise design will help keep your pets relaxed. The 1.5 liter detachable dustbin is easy to empty and carry and will reduce frequent cleanings. Also included are space-saving storage boards and bags.
Whether you are just doing a little at-home grooming of your big fluffy doggy, or you want to take over grooming your fancy poodle, or anything in between, you're just looking to upgrade from the 2-bristle brush, then you should definitely check out Oneisall Grooming Kit because it is awesome. It comes with everything you need. It works amazingly well, and as you can see, my doggies loved it. So definitely go check it out, and you will not be sorry.